let's hear every sound, breaking down the barriers, lifting off the ground. We all deserve a chance to reach for the stars. Accessibility, it's what we need. With a little help in a supportive space, everyone can rise, everyone can chase their dreams to the stars. Powerful and free, together we'll shine in true unity, breaking every barrier, opening every door. With hearts and minds united, we can soar. Every step we take, every bridge we build, for the hearts we mend, for the dreams fulfilled, we can light the way for every soul to see a brighter future where everyone is free. It's more than just a word, it's a way of life. Embracing all our differences, reducing strife. With love and understanding, hand in hand we go. Accessibility, a brighter world to show. For those who can't see, we'll be their guiding light. Braille on every sign to make the world bright. With voices that describe and tech to aid their way. We'll walk beside them every single day. With a little help in a supportive space, everyone can rise, everyone can chase their dreams to the stars. Powerful and free, together we'll shine in true unity, breaking every barrier, opening every door. With hearts and minds united, we can soar. Together we'll create, together we'll see a world of possibility. With heart